Let's move to checkpoint number 2. Which markets shall I trade? There are 3 main sessions in the market to choose from: Asia, London, and New York. Traders usually look at these sessions as there is more liquidity and the markets are more active during these times. Asia sessions start with Sydney at 10 p.m. GMT, and 2 hours later, Tokyo opens at midnight. Sydney trading session closes at 7 a.m. and Tokyo 2 hours after at 9 a.m. Then London session starts at 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. and the New York session begins at 1 p.m. and finishes at 10 p.m. Choosing the correct session that best suits you will need important consideration. For example, if a trader lives in Australia and works during the day, it will be difficult for them to trade the Asia session, as it overlaps with their day job. However, they could consider looking into the London session, which will begin in their evenings, and potentially the New York session if they are able to stay awake after midnight. Or, if a trader lives in the UK and is working during the daytime as well, that would mean that it will be difficult for them to trade the London session and the opening of the New York session. However, they could consider trading the closing of the New York session, which will be around their evening, or even the beginning of the Asia session, again, if they are able to stay awake past midnight. What about times that the market is quiet or even closed? A trader can use this time to learn and better hone their chart reading and analysis skills. Chart time for a technical trader is a critical factor in becoming an effective trader. So it would be of high priority for a trader to utilize every moment they have allocated for trading to their trading. This means no outside interruption during this time. Consider turning off your phone, ignoring emails, close the door, and leave personal interaction for a later time. Trading requires focus and your undivided attention, so let's make every minute count. Another element to consider is how active is the market during the time that I wish to trade. Markets can have less liquidity during different times of the day. For example, Pound Canadian or the German DAX are usually not very active during the Asia session. Therefore, a trader should be aware of these sort of nuances when choosing their setup chart. Which brings us to the third checkpoint. Which time frame shall I trade?